Finally, I got paid, y'all. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So on this video, I want to share with you guys that I finally got paid for the first time on YouTube ever. You guys, I'm so happy. Like literally, I didn't think it would happen because it took a while. Because what had happened was, as soon as I got monetized, when I first got my first 10k views, back in 2015 or 16, I think, the threshold policy changed, so my monetization went off, so I didn't have any advertisements on my videos. But that I sort of like felt discouraged a little bit, but after a while I kept on going and eventually I made it. So this Christmas has been hectic. I've been trying to post and everything, and finally I met the threshold, and guys, finally I got paid, y'all. I am so happy and like grateful. And also, if it's not because of you guys, I probably wouldn't have gotten paid. So yeah, I want to say thank you guys for watching my videos, supporting me, being there for me, like literally, making this a reality basically. So now I'm taking it serious, knowing that I can actually earn a living from YouTube, even though I'm not giving up on my job yet, but it's something I'm doing on the side. That is YouTube. So like, I'm really happy and like grateful for that. Thank you guys so much for making this happen. So I want to share with you guys how much I got, or how much you would normally get when you pass the threshold. If you're in the UK, you should know that the threshold of UK residents is £60, which is about 100 US dollars. So when you get past that threshold, say for example you pass it in January, you will not get your money this January. It would be the next month, which is maybe February, if I'm right, something like that. Because I did pass the threshold in December, but everything didn't like come together, and like they didn't update my earnings and everything on AdSense until end of this month, when I got an email saying to me, check your account. No, I think what happened was I went into my bank account to check something. I'm not sure what it was. And then I saw this notification there from Google Island. I'm like, what? Google. I'm like, okay. I'm like, in the way, I know I met the threshold already on the AdSense, but I didn't know if I was gonna get paid anyway, to be honest with you. Because I know some people were saying you need to set up your tax information or whatever before you can get paid. But I think I might have done that because it's been a while since I set up my AdSense. So I saw that. I'm like, okay, so it means I could potentially be paid. So I left it. I didn't use the money just in case I'm gonna return it. 2 days later, I think, then I got email from Google AdSense saying you've been paid. Check your account to make sure that you got the right amount of money, and if you have, that is from Google Island that's paid me. So yeah, everything corresponded, and it turned out I was paid. I went back into my AdSense, then the money that was there, the threshold I met, and all the other balances were sort of like they kind of like give you like an invoice kind of thing. So on the invoice, it was already saying what I've made last month, then what I've made this month, which means they've paid me, and then starting from zero again. So yeah, it turned out I've been paid. So I was so happy, guys. As for how much I paid, I don't think I want to discuss it because it's all personal. Before I got demonetized, after the threshold policy changed, I had some money in my account, in my AdSense account, that they didn't take away. It sat there for like over a year or so, or two actually. And then once I got this other money, then it kind of like built up, so that made my first payment a bit high. obviously if you've gone viral on YouTube and you've gotten a lot of views and whatnot and you're monetized, you might have more than I have. But if you're like myself, who's just in the middle, then you could get, depending on how much traffic your videos are getting. Or if you're on the lower, you could get maybe past £60. Once you pass the £60, you could just be paid 60, 70, 100, just depending. Everybody depends. Everybody's earning is generally different from every one another, because it depends on how much views you're getting on your videos and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I thought I'd come and share with you guys, and obviously say thank you for really helping me make it come through, and I'm gonna keep on making more videos that's gonna interest you lot. And but yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up as always, and if you're not subscribed, comment along and join me. I have literally, someone said my channel is jack of all trade. You can say that. I have videos for everyone, for guys, ladies, home, DIY, anything, you name it, whatever you want to entertain you, I do it all. Because listen, I enjoy doing stuff, and not because of the money. I just want to put out my talent out there, just so people can learn from it and enjoy it. So that's what I do on my channel. So if that interests you, come along and be part of my family, and grow with me. And really, I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Anyway, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a lovely week ahead. Bye guys.